Hi, so I'm going to be showing you my favorites. So this one's super easy. You could just cut off a little water bottle side. It's not one of my favorites, but it's still pretty cool. Next is this little popper, or crackler. I put the rubber bands in there for just a cool effect, but I really like this one. Just clean my room, so I'm going to have to clean up all these. Yeah. So my mom had a little mat thing, right? And it was the giant, so I cut up in a ton of mini ones. So there's gonna be more that you see. It's just really fun to play with. Oh my gosh, it's actually fun doing that. And I like connecting them and pulling them apart. It's just so fun. Next one is this one. It has a little spinner here. I like it. Not too bad. Makes a popping noise. Then there's this, another mat. And it has some rubber bands on it. The back, it's like its own little fidget. Next is this one. Next is this one. Next, this one. So I had a little fuzz and I put it inside of tape and it actually feels really nice. I should make like some things how to make like new fidgets. I already showed you guys how to make. Okay, then I made this little fidget bracelet. It's very stylish. Like boys and girls can wear it because it's like spikes. I like it. And it's just fun. You can spin it on your wrist like normal bracelets. You can always spin them. Or you could just... Or if you're like stressed in class, you can like pinch the little things. I like doing that. Yeah. Yeah. So then there's this big one. I just realized it's really fun doing this. Yeah. Next is this one. You know how to do that. This one. I'm just going to stop playing with them because you already know what's going to happen. Well, with this one, it's just a slinky kind of. Look. So it's like a broken slinky I put in it. You could just make this super easy. You get 2 cardboard like squares. Make sure you measure them, and it just sounds so good. This is a class fidget, I would say. Just maybe not a test fidget though. I really like that one. I made that one last night. Well, this one's not really too new. It's just a homemade poppet or dimple. Well, I might be getting a simple dimple for my first time, like some spinners and all that. Yeah. Oh, and they stretch. I got another bracelet. You already know how to do that. It just doubles. And, well, there's one more. Oh, wait, actually, there is a couple more I could show you. Some are duplicates, so I'm not going to show all those. So I tied it up, like, really cute. Then you just pull the ribbon. So, look, I kind of did that. Look how big this one is. It has a rubber smell. I don't really like it. Sorry, I smelled that. That was kind of weird. Oh. Okay. Next is this one's super easy. Just cut off like a little ziploc bag thing. See, it's just like a little slider. They should make a little like slide one. They should make a slide fidget. Same with this twister fidget. If any fidget shops are watching this, like actually make, I dare any fidget shops that make fidgets, try making a twister like that, you like out of silicone or whatever, just not like a bottle cap, and try making like a slider like out of stuff that's professional. Then I have one last one. It's another slider. This one came off a little bag again. I like doing this with them. These are definitely a test. Like if you taped it to your desk and you could just say my hand had say it was taped to it and you could just slide it. I really like doing that. And no one can steal it. A lot of people steal fidgets. Sadly to say, it's true. People do steal fidgets in this world. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. I'm gonna put these away now. And if this thing gets, when I get to 100 subscribers, I'm only at 20. I mean, I'm only at 17. So let's say when I'm at 30 subscribers, I will do a big video, maybe, for all you. And if anyone would like to sponsor my videos, that'd be nice. Yeah, since I'm still a new channel, it's kind of hard getting sponsors. Since I'm such a new channel person, I haven't got any money from YouTube. I'm not doing it for the money, it's just, I like YouTube. And I wouldn't trade YouTube for anything. So when I'm older, I'm probably going to be doing more YouTube for my job. And probably like a side job, like a shop, and like, yeah. So, bye.